Hi, welcome to Metro CSG. This is Ria. Today, I'm going to show you how Microsoft Edge helps improve productivity and collaboration, especially for Microsoft 365 subscribers. Microsoft Edge is now built under the same core technology that makes Google Chrome, which is the Chromium based browser. Edge now makes you work smarter. So, what makes Microsoft Edge apart from Google Chrome? Microsoft Edge offers customizable homepage, improved context switching, and a built-in Microsoft Productivity dashboard for Microsoft 365 users, which is also known as the Enterprise New Tab page. This new tab page helps you to have an easy glance at all the files and tasks that you have worked on, and even a quick view of your calendar. Edge brings unique features including web page collections, immersive reading mode, web page share button, full web capture, and stackable tabs, all to help in your daily tasks. So here are a few of the useful features that you can easily navigate. Don't you know that it is now a lot easier to search files or conversations in your organization through Microsoft Search? Say, for example, we are searching a Microsoft list housed inside our Microsoft Teams. Through Microsoft Search, I can easily find that just by searching the title file in the search box. Choose Work in order to see a list of available options. And see, we can already access it without going to OneDrive or SharePoint or Teams. What a time saver! Next, Microsoft Edge helps organize your web pages with collections. Collections will help you create an organized folder and add a current page to a collection with a right-click option at the top bar. As you see, we have two sample collections here that I organize depending on what I need, and each collection has the individual web page I saved. This is so helpful when your work requires heavy research or needs multiple web resources. To add a new collection, click the collection button, then click the Start New Collection, put a name, and add the current page. And you are done. You can also send your collection to OneNote, Excel, and Word file for easy access. Collections are also synced to all your signed-in device to Edge. Another useful feature is the immersive reading mode. In a web page full of ads, links, and other distractions while browsing, you will really lose focus. When you use the immersive reading mode by clicking the open book icon, it gives you the focus that you need so you can only see text. Plus, it can also offer to read the text aloud just in case you are multitasking. And speaking of multitasking, you can use vertical tabs for your easy switching, especially if you open several tabs. And this left rail here will help you to have an easy view and fast access. You can rearrange the tabs, add to a group, or pin it. Edge also allow you to pin a web page to a taskbar. Just click the ellipsis, then click a More tool, and pin the taskbar. This shortcut is so helpful, especially when you are in a hurry. You can also click the Share button to easily send it to Outlook and any other apps. No need to copy paste the link and open another tab. Another time saver. Edge easily helps you with web page full capture by clicking this icon. Now you have an option to capture an area or capture a full page so you can easily collaborate with your team. In as easy as 1 to 3, your web page is now fully captured and ready to be shared. In case you need to compute some numbers while working, just click our math solver here so you can use it like a calculator or if you have to solve math equations. If you do heavy writing at work, you can use Microsoft Editor to achieve a clean and cohesive content. And just like that, you can easily check the grammar of your content. Lastly, Microsoft Edge helps you to import data from any other browser by clicking the Import Browser Data. It cuts the time of manually transferring your favorites and other saved files and passwords. Just decide which browser you are going to import. Edge also helps you with saving memory by using the performance feature where you can put inactive tabs to sleep after a certain time of inactivity. You can also turn this performance button to turn your efficiency mode on. To download Microsoft Edge, just go to this link and click Download Edge. You can access Microsoft Edge across devices for Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. That's it. Hope you were able to find how useful Microsoft Edge can be for your daily work. Like and subscribe to our channel for more productivity and collaboration tips. Thank you for watching.